Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking short loin ribs. Time to grill! And this one is so easy, you only need 3 ingredients and 6 hours of time. So that's pretty easy. These are 1.5 kilo short loin ribs, US beef, born, raised in the US, slaughtered in the US, and then brought to Europe for me for showing you this wonderful video. So these are from my favorite online butchery, gourmetfleisch.de. I will put a link into the video description. You can check it out, prices, sizes, whatever you like. So these are the ribs. This is how they actually look like. Look at that marbling, looks really cool. Sometimes there is a silver skin on your beef ribs as well, like the pork ribs. There are no skins or nothing you have to get rid of first, so we can just get started with taking your rub. So this is kind of a Texas Dalmatian rub. This is something I have prepared together with my friends from spicebar.de, one of my online spice partners. This is actually Jack and Smoke, and Jack and Smoke is whiskey, pepper and smoked salt with red berries, and this one's close to a Dalmatian rub. You only need salt, pepper, sometimes garlic powder or onion powder if you want. I prefer the easy way, nothing fancy here today. So we have preheated the broiling keg for 110 degrees low and slow Celsius. This is approximately 210 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you want to get an idea on how to set this grill up, I have launched a video on Thursday. I will put a link at the end of the video. You can check out the how to set up your broiling keg for low and slow after that video. So now here's the third ingredient. This is lager beer, amber lager beer. I really love that stuff. Look at that color, amazing. So all we have to do right now is we're gonna braise the short ribs after 2.5 hours of grilling every 45 minutes. So 2 till 3. Total cooking time is 6 hours, something in between. And every 45 minutes we're going to open the lid, and then we're going to braise this one with a beer. It adds additional flavor. It helps to get a nice crust. The skin won't dry out. And yeah, it's fun to do. Of course, like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. It might be a little bit short for today, but that's the twist on that recipe. Sometimes the easy things are the best, so nothing fancy today. Again, we're gonna take some more of that beer here, and we're gonna braise the ribs. Actually looks pretty good right now. So this is approximately 4.5 till 4:45 minutes or so. And for me in autumn, that's the perfect kind of dish. Low and slow, nothing fancy. The grill makes his job. Pretty constant temperature here. And so this is how it looks like after 6 hours. Due to the fact that you add the beer, the skin won't get any more darker than that. So take it off, and then we're gonna cut and see how it looks like from the inside. That's probably the best moment. So if you could smell that, haha, smells good. So this is how it looks like from the inside. We have a little bit of a smoke ring here. We haven't smoked that much. It's more like an indirect grilling thing. We have a nice crust, great flavor, and it's pretty juicy. So a lot of people ask me, but how do I eat that? There's so much fat in that in there. I don't want that fat. So I decided to take a short time after I show you how I cut the rest and see how I put this into small dices, so you can eat it without any more fat if you don't want to have that fat. So actually these short loins have less fat than other ribs I made in the past, so this is a pretty high quality. There's fat in there which helps to stay the meat stay juicy, but if you don't want to eat that, of course you don't have to. So, and as you can see now from this view, we have 2 layers of fat. There's one layer somewhere in the middle and one layer close to the bone. But as soon as you cut the bone away, you will be able to remove the 2 layers of the fat, which is actually pretty easy. So you can see it. So just take a sharp knife and cut away the fat you don't want. Cut away the part, and this one here, as you can see here, this is almost nothing in there. So all you have to do here is dice it, and you're ready to give it a shot, and it really tastes amazing. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet by clicking on the Oil 15 Barbecue logo at the left side of your screen. Please make sure to check out the how to set up the Broil King keg for indirect heat video as well. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. Saturday, next video will be coming up. We're gonna have a lot of fun there, so make sure to join me. Have fun. I hope you give this a shot right now or some at the weekend. We are seeing us again in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.